have to insert this. Now place the corner piece on top of where it has to go, like this, and do this algorithm till it is solved. R U R prime U prime. Now move the edge piece over its center, move it to that side, and with the opposite hand do R U R prime U prime. Then with your right hand do R U R prime U prime. Now if we get a case like this, we just do the algorithm from any direction and repeat it again when it's out, like this. Do this for all the sides. Now we have to solve the last layer. Make an yellow cross like on the white side. After you get make sure that the edge pieces are aligned. Put them at the back right corners and do R U R prime U R U2 R prime. This will solve the front and the left corner edge pieces. Do this till they are in the right place, like this. Now flip the cube upside down, like this, and do the RU R prime U prime till the corner is solved, the bottom corner. Then don't do anything, move it to the next unsolved corner. Do the same thing, move it to the last unsolved corner. Do this and your cube will be solved.